How to replace the power panel and the power cord for the iJOY Total Massage by Human Touch.
Power off the chair and unplug it.
Remove the 2 screws that secure the remote cord to the power panel. Then, remove the 6 screws that secure the power panel to the chair, keeping them separate from the 2 remote screws. Disconnect the 2 remote connectors and pull them through the panel opening to remove the remote cord. Slide the protective cover off the power panel connector and disconnect the connector. Remove the screw that is securing the ground wires to remove the power panel and power cord. To install the new power panel and power cord, connect the ground wires on the chair to the power panel and secure it with the screw removed in the previous step. Connect the power panel connector and slide the protective cover over it. Then, insert the connecting end of the remote cord through the power panel opening and connect the 2 remote connectors by color. Mount the power panel back onto the chair and secure it with 6 screws previously removed. Secure the remote cord to the power panel with the 2 remaining screws.